The Ostrich Feather Duster, and this is the telescoping stainless steel pole right here. It has a handle on it as well. This is going to extend out to 49 inches. So you will not have to worry about reaching those high places while you're dusting, ceiling fans, corners of the wall, everything like that. You're gonna get 2 of these. One is going to be the initial use, and then the other one will be the replacement. So you won't have to worry about replacing it right away. I will note that some of the feathers, there might be a few that fall off when you first start dusting with it. That is totally normal and totally okay. Here's up close of it. There's still a lot of them, and they're very fluffy and soft. So you're going to still have enough to get the job done. You're just going to twist it on the telescoping rod right here. Goes right in there. Twist it, give it a twist around, and then here are all the feathers. Like I said, there is a lot. It is very fluffy. When you first get it delivered, you might have to kind of wait a minute, let them expand. You can hold them upside down like that to try to help them fan it out. You're also going to get this, which is a car, where you can bring it in the car, you can bring it in an RV, wherever you might like. It has a hook spot on the end where you can hook it and hang it on the wall. This measures 10 inches when it's closed and 15 inches when it's open. So that's going to be nice to have on the go with you and to have it closed so that it's not bothering anything. I will note that the feathers sometimes do come in through this little crack. I haven't had any rip out or any that got damaged, even though it looks like it might going to. It doesn't. They do come out with it really nice, and I haven't had any issues with that. You will also get these 2 little hooks where you can put these on the wall, put these on sheetrock, or anything you might want to put these on to hang these up. And then you will also get this, where it kind of just talks about when you first get it delivered, if you want to like do some blow drying to it to help expand those feathers out just from shipping. I didn't use the blow dryer for it, and it's working fine. I've been using it a couple weeks now, dusting everything, and I feel like it gets the dust really good. Sometimes when you use like a cloth or something like that, you have to go over so many times because of the thickness of the dust. I've only gone over like twice, and I've been totally fine with it. So thanks for sending me this to review.